Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is January 8th when I'm recording this, and it's in the morning, so by the time you see this, it might be a little bit late, but at 10 a.m. Pacific time, which will be 12 noon Central time, I'm going to be doing a thing on YouTube on our Simpler Trading YouTube channel. We'll also link it to my Profit Pilot YouTube channel. But I'm going to be talking about my 2024 outlook. So I've got some longer term charts we're going to be looking at. I've got some breadth indicators. I've got some other things we're going to be looking at. And so we'll kind of give a bigger picture view for what I think will be happening in 2024. Short story is, I think we're going to get some good stuff out there. I'm pretty excited for what we're going to see. Anyway, I had another morning post that I sent to the Moxie subscribers. That's this thing down here. I took a screenshot. And basically, I was saying that, look, the market pulled back 5 days last week to start the new year off. This is pretty expected. We were looking at everything being overbought, and we needed to buy some breathing room. So I said, we're probably going to get some sort of bounce or at least a reprieve, maybe some flagging in the market. And if we do, then there will be names that are strong that are going to take advantage of that. And here are just kind of a list of some names that I've been looking at that are having good moves today. Now, not all of them are in buy points. Some of them are still pulling back. They still need kind of, hammer out a low or something like that. But, pretty good sized moves for the market not going down today. And that's kind of all we said is as long as it's not a down market, a lot of these names can do well. So what's that actually look like? Well, if you come over here and you look at the S&P, the first target was the daily 21. And again, if we go back to my Twitter page here, you can see I had a quiz or a post or a poll over here, and I said, hey, what's going to happen when the SPY gets to the daily 21? And so that is, as I said, a first initial target. Now we're kind of like, okay, what's this going to do? Right now, I would still consider this flagging because it's really not, yes, it's an up day, but it's really not having a big move. I would consider a bounce, probably something closer to 475 if it happens to get there. But right now, I would still chalk this up as to flagging because the hourly 50 is coming down to it. So let's keep watching this and see how this goes. I do think that this SPY is probably going to break below the daily 21 at some point. We just don't really know when. And that kind of then, bodes the question of, well, where's it going to go after that? Again, not too sure. Maybe it's going to come into this previous support area. Maybe it'll chop around a little bit until the 50 comes up to it and it wants to meet that. We just don't really know. But either way, I think we're getting a little bit of a reprieve. And so, yes, there are names like New. Hey, having a nice move today. Roku, this is another one that we kind of talk about. Yeah, hey, having a good day today. Not necessarily in a buy point, but having a good time. And Blink, just one of these things that I'm watching to see if this is ever going to start moving up. There's been big volume back here. And yeah, you can see, look at that pullback that it's had for the beginning of the year. And, well, it's at least having a bounce. I'm not going to buy it here, but at least it's up on a day like this that we thought was going to kind of happen this week. So, come join me or watch the recording later this afternoon on our Simpler Trading YouTube page. And have a good time with it. We'll see what our outlook for 2024 is. So if you come over here and we look at the Simpler Trading page, there we go. There, you guys can come watch the recording once it's done. And don't forget, we are still having our New Year's sale. It's going to be new 24, and you can get 30% off store-wide. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.